guys, what I have for you today is a set of premium bamboo cutting boards from Premium Bamboo. They come in 3 sizes and they come very nicely packaged. If you wanted to give these as a gift, that would be a great thing, you know, a housewarming gift. We have 3 sizes, and these are natural bamboo cutting boards. They're safe on knives, they're easy to clean, they're antimicrobial, so that's very important. They're eco-friendly because we know what a sustainable source bamboo is, right? The care instructions would be to wash with warm water and soap and pat dry. Don't put them in the dishwasher. And then you can regularly apply some mineral oil to extend the life of the boards. Now you get 3, like I said, in here. The largest one, which is in the back, is 13 inches by 9.5 inches. Okay, and then the medium is 11 by 8.5, and the smaller one is 8 by 6. So this is a really nice set because, you know, while none of them are huge, you've got 3 boards that will help you with a lot of very common tasks in the kitchen. They will help you with most tasks when you're doing food prep in your kitchen. So you have this smaller one that could even be used for cheese, a block of cheese, or cutting something smaller, say maybe some ginger, or, you know, 1 lemon, or you're doing something on a smaller side. This would be nice. Maybe you're grating some chocolate or doing something like that. This would be a very nice size to do that. And on the front they have it's almost like a burnt in logo, the Premium Bamboo, which looks very nice. They all have a nice handle to grip it if you were serving it or when you're grabbing it to take with you, or you could hang it from that. So this is the smallest one. And then you have this medium sized, which is good for, you know, chopping medium amounts of food, you know, or even serving an array of cheeses. Maybe a few cheeses you could serve on here, so that would be nice. And then, or, you know, chop up some, you know, a few carrots, some celery. If you're making something smaller, some lemons, that would be fine, strawberries. And then you have the largest one in here, chopping vegetables. You can use it also for serving. And I mean, it has a multitude of uses, right? Anytime you're cutting, it's going to be, like I said, safe on the knives, and so they are antimicrobial and easy to clean. They make a nice gift if you're looking to give a gift to someone. You know, I don't know anyone who can't use nice cutting boards, bamboo cutting boards, sustainable, green gift, eco-friendly. So check them out. They're available right on Amazon. They are by Premium Bamboo. Thanks for watching.